great.
Hi, we didn't make a sign today. Hi guys, today for today's project you're going to need paper and some Sharpies or a marker.
Sharpie marker.
Make sure you remember that if you're working with a Sharpie you want a piece of paper underneath so that it doesn't go through onto the table. We have some guests helping us today. We have Miss Livy and Miss Kirsten. Hi guys, say hi. Hi! And they're helping us.
Oh yeah, these guys are a couple of pros. They're going to show us how to do a real cool project today.
And our project we're hoping you can use for Mother's Day.
Yes, this would be a perfect opportunity to do a Mother's Day card present like this. This is going to be really cool. All
okay,
right.
girls, I'm going to just lead the folding of the paper and then you're going to lead the drawing. All right? Here we go. So you're going to take your piece of paper and we call this a hamburger fold. You're going to fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
All right, and press along there. And then we're going to fold it. You ready, Mr. Darren?
Slow
and then Livy says, and Kirsten say to fold it up like that. So you're going to fold that up to the halfway point. Yeah, you got it, Mr. Darren. Good job. And then this is kind of tricky, but you can do it. You ready? You're going to fold this one back.
So flip it over and then fold it halfway back up to the top. Yeah.
Fold it up to the top. Now.
And it could look like this.
All right, then Livy says turn it over.
Turn it over.
And bring the back part down. Because we want it to open up like this.
Yeah,
so we're going to draw on it like this. All right, Livy. We're going to start drawing with a we're just going to use a marker straight on with Livy. We're following you now, Livy. What should we do first?
You're going to draw these eyes.
We're going to draw 2 round eyes on the top part here. So 2 round eyes. What are we drawing today, Livy?
Are they not touching anything, right? Okay.
A dog.
We're going to draw a dog? Okay.
When you open it up, it's a big dog pile.
Big dog pile. Excellent. All right.
Pile of dogs.
Kirsten, let's see your... Then what?
You're going to draw a little circle inside.
A little circle inside.
And Kirsten, is this when we color the outside now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we color the
outside, but in the eyes.
But in the eyes, and we color it all black?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do that. Mr. Darren is coloring like crazy. I'm coloring like crazy.
This.
Nice, Livy. That looks really good. We'll show Livy and Kirsten's at the end. Maybe I can cover up.
I'm going to leave a little bit of white.
You leave a little white? Okay,
cool. Like that.
All right, Livy, what do we do next?
Then you're going to do this round curve thing.
Between the eyes?
Yes.
Are we making a nose, Livy, right now?
It's the nose and you do a curve.
Okay.
And you're going to make the V and color it in so it kind of looks like a beak.
Kind of like a beak. Okay, got it. Good description. Mine looks like a bird right now.
Same as mine.
All right, so what do we do now, Livy?
Then you're going to go make a J and a backwards J for the mouth.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Mine's hanging off the edge of my paper.
That's okay. That looks okay. That looks good. Let's see yours, Kirsten. Oh, excellent.
I'm not following directions very well.
Keep going, keep going.
Then you're going to kind of make the starting of the head so it looks like a U shape.
A U shape, so as big as you want your dog to be. Okay, so that's my dog there. What? Oh, how are you going to do yours?
All right. I've got mine overlapping the thing. You probably want to put it up a little higher like Miss Carla has done. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, Mrs. Davis has done hers a little higher. Mine's down too low. So you want it to look more like that. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, then you're going to do the ears so they're like cat ears.
Cat ears.
Cat ears. Ooh.
Cat ears on a dog? Okay. All right, got it.
Okay, so my one probably has some pretty crazy kind of doggy ears. Good.
Mine's looking like a bit like a cat right now, but we'll make it look like a dog in a minute.
Maybe it looks like it's an evil cat for some reason.
Okay, what do we do now?
Then you're going to connect the ears together in a little curve.
Okay, so I did that already. Okay.
Put a couple little hairs in there.
Yeah, you put hairs in there.
Then you're going to do the inside of the ears, and you're going to do little spikes for hair inside the ears.
At the bottom, okay, got it. Did it.
Okay, then,
My ear's a little funny.
since this is a husky,
Oh, it's a husky.
to make that weird line at the top, so it's, you can color it in, and you can color that part gray.
Okay, I'm gonna
And
put
then
it all the
that
way
one
down.
white.
Okay, I'm gonna put it all the way down to his nose, mine.
Mine's starting to look like a badger.
He's got a badger dog. Okay, what do we do now, girls?
Then you're gonna start the body, so you're gonna make it go down
Make it go down, okay.
like this. So when you
Oh, it's gonna go over the fold now. Okay, got it. Over the fold.
I'm putting a couple of eyebrows in mine.
Okay. Where's my dog?
All goes over the. Oh,
Nice.
Okay, I got you.
Got
when you
it.
open it up, it's like that.
Okay. Oh, when you open it up. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Now
what do we
then
do?
you're going to make the little feet.
The little
So
feet.
when it sits, the little feet are like
Oh, sticking out. Okay, got it. Okay, so we make like little paws kind of here. Okay. I'm putting little. All right, now what do we do? Oh, is this one we can put? Can I put the Mother's Day message in now, Liv?
Yep.
Okay, so let's put.
Then you're going to put your paws in
The pause in and then the message, okay?
like this.
Okay, I'm gonna put a message in. So if you want to use this for a Mother's Day card, I will put the Mother's Day message right here. So I'm gonna do that, Mr. Darren. I'm gonna write happy. Livy, I'm just writing in happy Mother's Day. And then we'll do that part around the legs. Happy, oh look what I did, I was gonna put happy birthday. Okay, you could do happy Mother's Day or happy birthday. I'm using mine as a birthday card now, Livy, because I forgot and I started to write. And then I'm gonna put a heart here. Okay,
Then
happy Mother's Day.
inside
Nice.
your paws.
Oh,
inside
pause,
your
okay, yeah.
You're going to make it kind of look kind of hairy. So on the outside, you're going to make it kind of like that.
Excellent, I love that. And then can we put a little tail on this guy?
Yeah. And when you're done putting the tail on, you also have to put the line at the bottom.
Oh yeah, if you don't have a line here, you should put a line there. Good idea. Okay, there's my tail. And make sure your tail doesn't go up here because that's going to be a different dog up there.
Okay.
So just make sure it stays down there. And if you want to put like a little, like foxtail kind of thing, you can if you want.
Okay.
I like your
Now
stuff
you're going to open up your card. It should look like
Open it up. Okay, we're going to open it up now. Cool. All right. Ooh, looks cool. Okay, now what do we do, Livy? Kirsten, how's yours? Let's see Kirsten.
We're gonna start with the bottom dog, so we're just gonna do the eyes first. So
Eyes first,
you're
okay.
gonna put the eyes on top of the body, not touching it though.
Got it. So we're making, yeah, we make similar kind of eyes as last time, Liv?
Yeah, you do the exact same eyes, but you can make it looking up or down or cross-eyed. You can do
Cross-eyed.
any.
My one's gonna be kind of a.
Cross-eyed.
My eyes are way too close again to the
That's okay.
wrinkle.
Is this the bulldog, Livy, or is this not the bulldog?
I think this is not the bulldog. It's the last dog on the stack.
Okay.
And then after this one, we're doing the bulldog on top.
Excellent.
So like this one, we're doing this one right now.
Cute. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Now we're going to make some more spikes on the outside.
Spikes on the outside.
Okay,
Spikes on the
spikes on the
outside.
outside.
Nice and fluffy.
Not fluffy dog with spikes on the outside. Okay, now what, Libby?
I think my eyes are way too close to the belly button.
The nose, so you're gonna do the exact same mouth and nose as last time.
Okay.
On every single dog, you're gonna do the exact same nose and mouth.
Okay, I'm gonna put these little dots here too for mine.
Mine's a buck-toothed dog.
It's like a beaver. Okay.
Now you're gonna do
Kirsten's just laughing. Let's see yours, Kirsten.
the ears.
Oh, the
Oh,
ears.
the
Okay,
ears.
but you can't go over the half, right? You can't go over the fold. Don't,
Yeah.
don't go over the fold, Mr.
It has
Darren.
to stay under that
Fold.
second, third, has to stay under that one.
Okay, mine kind of went sideways this time. Okay. Got it.
Now,
And now what do we do?
to do inside of the ears, do the exact same thing that you did last time, like this.
Excellent. Okay. We're going to look at yours in a minute and Kirsten's in a minute because I figured out how to do that so we can look at theirs. Okay, cool. Now what do we do?
Now we're starting with the bulldog that looks weird. So you're gonna put the eyes over that curve, over that line.
Okay.
On the other side of the line. Okay, so I'm gonna. This is just one more dog we're doing, right? How many more dogs have we got?
2 more.
2 more. Okay, so I want to
We
jump.
got finished the one at the top, and then we got finished this one.
Oh, okay, so we got.
Ooh, this
Just
is the
this-
last dog. Yeah, this is the last dog.
Okay, so I can put him up here this time.
Okay. I'm going to make him looking this way. They're all looking different ways, my guys. Oh, no, not really. That guy's kind of the same. Okay, I'm coloring my eyes in, Liv. What do we do now?
Now I have to do my eyeballs just a second after.
Okay.
Did you guys do those weird circle things inside the eyeballs?
Oh, good job, Liv. Okay, she did eyeballs kind of like that. And now what do we do?
Now you're going to do the nose in between the eyeballs, and you do not put it on the curve yet,
Okay.
because we're going to put the neck there.
Okay.
We can't put it on the curve. Oh, I'm down too low again.
It's fine, Mr.
Why
Gary.
am I always down
Fine,
too low?
Mr. Good.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, what do we do now?
Now you're gonna do the head, the whole head,
Okay.
like this.
Okay, got it. We're gonna go like this. Ooh, mine's gonna be a little French bulldog, I think. Okay, there we go. Okay, he looks small. Okay,
Now you're going to do just a sec. Okay. Now you're doing the patch on his eye. So
Patch
you're
on his
gonna
eye.
do like this.
oh cute. Okay,
Oh, he's got a
a little
patch.
patch on his eye. Okay,
Okay. Now you're going to do. Okay. Now you're going to do like that weird circle thing around his nose.
oh, around his nose. Okay,
Oh, around word circle thing around his nose.
he's like
Almost looking like a bear. This guy.
Okay. Then on that, you're going to make it look like a bulldog. So you're going to put these lines.
oh yeah, down here. Okay, got it.
Oh, so he's supposed to look like this?
Yeah, he's a bulldog. What kind of dog do you have, Kirsten?
Miniature Aussie and the Border Collie.
Oh my
And
gosh.
I have a dog that I do not know what kind it is. We think it's a cross something, but he's all black.
He's all black dog. He's cute.
Okay. I think I've got a cat holding up a dog and then a huge dog on top.
Yeah, you kind of got your middle one. Okay, now what?
We're going to do the weird
The weird what?
ears that are kind
Oh
of.
yeah, weird ears. Okay.
Oh, okay. I've got
Like little-
I've got panda ears on mine. Lily, wait till you see mine. It looks like a panda bear instead of an actual dog. I like yours way better than mine.
We'll show Zoe and Kirsten's in just a minute. All right, now what do we do, Liv?
Now you're going to do the body. So
Okay.
you're going to connect the body line to the other dog's ears.
Okay.
Then in between the ears, you could do little paws if you want. Like this.
Cute. Okay, I like that.
My one's going to be
Now we're
holding
going
on
to
to the
do
other
the
dog's
top
ears.
dog. So on
The
the
top
top
dog.
dog, you're going to finish off its body. So you're going to make it go round.
Okay. My top dog's kind of a chunky dog.
Then where these lines are, you're going to make like the hairy spikes are.
Oh, I know what you're doing. Okay.
Like that, so it's like its belly.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you're going to do the little paws.
Oh,
And then-
cute.
You're just going to do a little tail if you like.
A little tail if we like. Oh, I think a tail would be nice. But the tail's got to be here, right? Because you don't want.
You do not put it over that curve or else it might show.
That's right. Cute. I like all these dogs. They're super cute.
Then,
Oh my
once you
goodness.
open it up, it should look like this. So it's like,
Okay. Well, you guys. Okay, close yours. Okay, there's mine. Close. And now let's open them, Mr. Darren, and then let's show the girls. Girls, close yours, and then we'll show everybody yours. Okay, we're gonna move the camera now. Are you ready? So yeah, Kirsten, are you ready, or do you need another minute? You ready? Excellent.
for a second.
Okay, here comes the girls. You get to see them now. There's Miss Kirsten on this side, and here's Miss Livy on this side. Okay, ready, girls? Are you ready to open them? Can you see them, Mr. Darren?
Yep, perfect.
Okay, open them up, girls. Let's see what they look like. Oh, so good. Let's see yours, Miss Kirsten. Oh, so cute. Those are awesome, you guys. Now, would you color them, Livy? Have you done one that's colored already? Do you have it there?
Yes, I do. I could show everybody this too.
Oh, let's see. Oh, you colored it. Oh, cute. Oh, cute.
Oh, very
I think that would
cute.
make a really cute Mother's Day card. So
That's
cute. Well done. And then Livy's done one with a cat too, and so has Miss Kirsten. Miss Kirsten, let's see your what. Did you do one before too? Do you got a second one to show us? Or is Miss Kirsten frozen?
Okay, well here's
I think
my
she's
cat
frozen.
one.
She's oh, and she's got a cat one too. Let's see it. Oh, so cute, Livy.
That's awesome.
That's a great idea.
And the cat one we're gonna do on the next video.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want with that, stacking up the animals. That's a great idea. Okay, well, thanks for sharing with us today. You guys keep drawing. Keep, I think we should color ours now, Mr. Darren.
I
What do you
think so too.
Yeah, thanks, Livy.
Thanks,
Miss
Livy.
Kirsten. Sorry you're frozen, Miss Kirsten, but thank you for joining us today. Okay, guys, keep drawing. So awesome.